Hello everyone, this is our today's topic, QoS, Wi-Tek Cloud L2 Management Switch. We will explain from the following three aspects. First of all, let me introduce what is QoS. We call it quality of service. It refers to ability of a network to use various basic technologies to provide better service for specific network communications. It is a security mechanism of the network and it is used to solve problems such as network delay and congestion. QoS guarantee is very important for networks with limited capacity, especially for streaming multimedia applications such as VoIP, Voice over IP, and IPTV, because these applications often require a fixed transmission rate and are sensitive to delay. The following is an example of how to use the interface speed limited configure QoS. This is an example terminal connection diagram taking a small office network environment as an example to build a three-layer network structure. Since the business is relatively single, there is no need to distinguish the business, but network bandwidth to limited, so it is necessary to restrict the access bandwidth of Enterprise Department 1 and Enterprise Department 2 as a whole. This page is our configuration idea, so we will follow this idea to finish all the configuration steps later. Let's take a look at this idea. Firstly, configure different VLAN for two departments to make users in these two departments can access the internet. The next step is to configure interface limited on switch A interface port 24 and port 25. So we'll start to do the VLAN configuration on switch A and the ports 24 to 26. Configure as trunk mode. Click the VLAN button and port setting and choose the 24 to 26 and click ideal button and then find the trunk button, click it and don't forget select the apply button. Okay, let's keep going. Configure rate limit for department 1 to 30 megabits and the department 1 is connected to the port 24 on switch A. Finally, check the two enable options and input bandwidth speed. Here, 3 megabits and click the apply button. What's more, after finish the department 1, we're going to configure the department 2. Configure rate limit for department 2 to 50 megabits and the department 2 is connected to the port 24 and 25 on switch A. Finally, check the two enable options and input bandwidth speed is 50 megabits and click the apply button. Finally, configuration example of QoS congestion management. This is an experimental connection diagram taking a medium office network environment as an example to build a three-layer network structure. Since the business is variety, services from the internet include voice, video, and data. So we need to distinguish the business of PC, TV, and IP phone. The IP phone requires low latency service. This page is our configuration idea. So we will follow this idea to finish all the configuration steps later. Let's take a look of this idea. First, turn on the QoS. Turn on the trust mode as DHCP. Second, set the QU schedule. Third, set DHCP to QU mapping parameters. Fourth, apply the QoS function to the port. The first step is to set the QoS mode. As we can see that we have chosen the DHCP mode. On the left text bar, click the QoS button and Property, and then you can find this page. In the second step, we will set up the QU scheduling table for the service. Here we assume that the TV and PC data use QU1 and QU2 and set 40% and 60% respectively on the device. There are 8 QUs in the outbound direction of each interface, which are identified by QU index numbers, and the QU index numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8 respectively, according to the mapping relationship between the local priority and the QUs. The device automatically sends to the classified packets into each QU, and then schedules according to the various QU scheduling mechanisms. Like the TV use CEF, PC use AF2, IP phones use CS7, then you need to set the mapping of QUs in the DHCP. Finally, you only need to enable the QoS function on the uplink interface. Alright, that's all about today's topic. Thanks for your listening.